Hello boys and girls, it's time for another read aloud, and because this month we're talking about babies, we're gonna read a book, Just a Baby Bird, and it's written by Mercer. Little sister and I play in the yard. We hear beep 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 beep. We find a baby bird, but where is the mama bird? We look. That helps. We do not find the mama bird. We tiptoe to the baby bird. We are so very careful, but the baby bird hops away. I think Daddy's gonna be able to get this baby bird still. Dad pokes holes in the box. We carefully catch the baby bird with the box. Let's find the nest, says Dad. We look high in the trees. We look low in the bushes. We look everywhere, but we do not find the nest. But Dad gets stuck in a tree. See, Dad is stuck here. We make a little nest. If the mama bird is near, she will feed the baby. We hide and wait. The baby bird peeps and peeps. No mama bird comes. The baby bird must be hungry. Mom searches online to find the right food. So Mom is looking for what can the baby bird eat. Mom makes dinner for the baby bird. Our bird loves it. So Mom is feeding little earthworm to the baby bird. We make a bed for the baby bird in an old fish tank. He is safe. Dad puts a towel over a tank. Here. Now the baby bird will sleep. We say, "Good night, baby bird." Day after day, the baby bird grows bigger and bigger. Our baby bird is so big. Dad says, "Bird is too big." We build a birdhouse. Maybe our bird will stay. We open the tank outside. Our baby bird flies away. Where will he go? I ask. Some birds fly south for the winter, says Mom. Maybe our bird will be back. So it's autumn time and this bird is flying away. Summer ends. Fall ends too. Winter comes. I always look for our bird. Spring is here. I hear tweet, tweet, tweet. We all run to see. Our bird sits on the birdhouse. He's much bigger now. Look, I say. Our bird has a family too. How cool is that? He saw just a baby bird. He was just a baby bird. Now he is a grown-up with a baby bird of his own. The end. Okay, friends, I hope you liked the story. Bye!